This is the Akaso V50, and can this be a GoPro replacement? Or would you even choose this instead of a GoPro? Well, the price point says you should, because this is $100 on Amazon right now. And I'm gonna talk about it because this is a review and opinion of the Akaso V50. Alright guys, so I've been approached by the company called Akaso, and I was in search for a cheaper action camera. I've been testing out a couple of other action cameras, GoPros, DJIs and everything, but this hit my eye when they showed it to me, and I saw that it's $100 on Amazon right now. And the specs of this little bad boy are pretty good compared to its price. Obviously, for the price, it's freaking fantastic. Would you buy this? Would you actually? Could I recommend it? Let me just read through the specs that this little camera has. First of all, it has 4K Ultra HD, it's 20 megapixels, it has advanced electronic image stabilization, it supports an external microphone, it has a diving mode, distortion calibration, H.265 video codec, built-in filter, burst photo, time-lapse video, slow motion movie, fast motion movie, wind noise reduction, long exposure, scene mode, white balance, sound record, micro HDMI, and mini USB. Now, FPS resolution, also it can do full HD on 60 FPS. I think in terms of the sizes, it's pretty awesome. Also, it comes with a lot of accessories. I mean, if GoPros would come with that much accessories, it would, I guarantee, cost $200–300 more to buy a GoPro. This little bad boy comes with a lot of accessories. What kind of accessories? Let's check those accessories out right now. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. So you have this beautiful camera here on the front. It's kind of like a matte finish. On the bottom you have the camera mount. Then you have a touch screen. Full touch screen over here. Then you have the mini HDMI, the mini USB, and then you have the SD card slot. As you can see, this is how it looks. You can use the touch screen to do whatever you want. You have controls over here. You can change between video, photo, playback. You can do setup. You can do the video setup. The resolution can go from 4K 30 FPS. You can choose the codec to be H.264 or 265. You have the image stabilization. Now, if I want to playback, you just go over here to playback. There's no card in it, so let's put a card into it. As you can see, you need to put the card over here. Just insert it like that. Once inserted, this message should go away. So this is what the camera looks like, but let's put this aside for a moment over here and see this little case that it came with. This is a waterproof case, and this is waterproof up to 96 feet, I believe, 30 meters, and it just goes in here like that. You close it up, close it down, et voila, you have a waterproof action cam. Now, this is not the only thing that came in the package. As I said, there's a huge box, and in this box, I'm gonna throw everything over here, and you can see we're gonna go one by one. One of my favorite things is this remote. Now this connects with that, and I can start video, I can start photo, and I can turn it on and off. Because if I'm swimming with it, or if I'm doing anything with it, the touchscreen not necessarily works over here. So I need to use this in order for that to work. Then you have the standard things. You have a couple of tools over here. You have a little cloth. You can put this bad boy on anything. You have these straps, and even like wow, I've never seen this. Okay, so you get that. You get a case, like a traditional holder or mounter. You can put this around the action cam and mount it on anything. It's the standard GoPro things. Then you have a mount like this, You have a spare cover or flap or door for the waterproof case in case something happens. You have a battery charger, and you actually get 2 batteries, which is huge because you always need batteries. And it's nice small battery, 1100 milliamp battery, which should be enough for a while until you want to do anything. So, and it comes with this USB cable that you plug in, and then you can charge your stuff. Now, you have a mounter like this. You can mount it on a bike, you can mount it on anything that has basically a handle. Then you have another accessory, smaller screws over here. You have different kind of angles. You have a strap, you have an extender like that, and you get this tool, and this tool actually helps you screw things on, as you can see. So it makes it very easy to get it very strong on the strap, and you get another thing like this. So very, very good for the price of this. And let's go and check out the image quality, and let's see what this bad boy can do. I'm really curious on the image stabilization and video quality. So far, so good.
So I wanted to finish off the video with these footages. This one and another one I will show you in a moment. This is the action camera attached to my scooter, and I'm going in the city with my scooter. As you can see, the image quality is absolutely fantastic. There are a lot of bumps on the road, there's a lot of things happening, but the motion is fluid. Even when I have to stop here, there's no extra jiggle or anything. It works as it's intended. Smooth operation, very ease of use, and I think it's a really good quality. Thinking of my scooter being on the road with the micro bumps and nothing can be seen. If we look at the camera when it's attached to the side of the car and we are actually going over bumps, you can see how much the car actually moves, but this is just the camera attached straight to the car, so everything is happening on the device. Very smooth, very good. I believe this is one camera that can compete against the big players. Now, where can you buy it? Check out the link down in the description below. Thank you very much for watching this video, and until the next video, stay safe and hang loose.